In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your mouse cursor appearance on your Asus laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select where it says mouse pointer and touch. At this point, you can expand the drop-down menu and select different styles or even different colors and sizes of mouse pointers you want. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.